Good morning. We are heading to Macau today. This is our first time taking the bus. They just completed the world's longest bridge that crosses water. So this goes all the way from Hong Kong to Macau to the mainland. So because Macau is not a part of Hong Kong, it's actually one of the only legal gambling places in China or Asia where you can gamble. So there's hotels, casinos, just like Vegas, even bigger. But we're also going during the Macau Grand Prix. So there's F3, GT, and motocross. So we happen to book a hotel that is along the racetrack. So hopefully we'll be able to get a nice view from our hotel. The total length of the bridge is 55 kilometers, and it has above ground bridges, an undersea tunnel, and 4 man-made islands. Last time when we came to Macau, we took the ferry. The only other option was by helicopter, which is around $1,200 per person. So this was a nice change to be able to drive. Excited to be here with us in Macau?
Yeah, but I'm tired of walking.
Here's a little tour of the pad. We got a half bath, little living area with a poker table and a bar, which we plan to not use. And over here we've got the master. Somehow we got upgraded to a suite. I'm not sure what we did, but maybe it's just because we've had such bad luck so far that luck is finally coming our way. Hopefully it keeps going. And that's the tour. Look at this bathroom though. Oops, gold fixtures. Our hotel had awesome views of the track, but we also wanted to hear the sounds of the cars, so we walked down to take it all in. After watching some of the races, we walked around the city and just took in the sights and sounds of Macau. The city lights up at night with all of the casinos, so we walked around, gambled a little bit at the Grand Lisboa. We worked up quite the appetite from walking around so much, so we found this local Korean barbecue restaurant. How is it, Grandma?
Good.